This right here is a hollow tree. You could tell it's hollow from the way it is.
That's pretty neat.
How many burritos are in 2 meters?
A meter's 3.2 something.
3.3. 13 of these burritos.
What happened to that tree?
Woodpecker?
It's a lot of work for a woodpecker to do.
Not as much work as keeping social distancing in mind.
What kind of witchery has been happening here? How many coffees do you think it is for a safe distance? My guess is 30 coffees. If they're Kaz, you're like 1 coffee too close to me.
I've had like 8 cups of coffee over the last day.
Okay, so here in Vancouver, we have a 9 o'clock gun. Well, cannon that goes off at 9 p.m. every day. But since everybody cheers for healthcare workers at 7 p.m., it now goes off at 7 p.m. And Kaz and I are on our way to catch it.